A very good morning, students. How are you? Once again, you are welcome to revision classes of English. I, Shalini Bhatia, is going to teach you the next chapter, article. As we all know, what is article? Let's recap. An article is a word that combines with a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. The articles in the English language are the, a, and an. Students, there are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. Let's first understand what is definite article. The definite article is the word the. It is used before a noun to specify it as something previously considered. Definite article the is used before the following things, means following are the rules to use definite article. Number 1, inventions. Example, it is difficult for you to live without the computer. How often do you surf the internet? Number 2 rule, the article is used before unique object and people. Example, how old is the president of your country? Is the sun shining bright now? Rule number 3, it is used before double comparatives. For example, the more you earn, the more you spend. Rule number 4, the is used before seas and oceans. Example, is the Atlantic warm? Rule number 5, the is used before superlative degree. Example, who is the tallest? Rule number 6, the is used for the groups of people. Example, what are the rich afraid of? Rule number 7, the is used before the names of the countries with plural names. Example, would you like to travel to Maldives? And the last rule, rule number 8, the is used before mountain ranges. Why do people often visit the Himalayas? Children, these were the things before which the article is used. Now let's understand indefinite article. Indefinite articles are used before something which is not clear, obvious or exact. It indicates that the noun is not someone or something in particular. There are two indefinite articles. They are a and an. A and an. A and an. The following are the rules for using the indefinite article. Number 1, the article a is used before the words which begin with consonant sound and an is used before the words beginning with vowel sound. I hope students you must be knowing about consonants and vowels. However, some words start with a vowel letter but begin with the consonant sound. So we use the article a before these words. For example, this is a unique idea. He is teaching at a university. Rule number 2, we use an before words which begin with a vowel sound. Example, the girl bought an oranges. The girl bought an orange. Another example, he had an umbrella in his hand. Rule number 3, some words begin with a silent H. So we use an before them. He is an honest man. I met him an hour ago. Rule number 4, we use a or an before the names of occupations and professions. For example, his father is an engineer. He is a pilot. Rule number 5. We use an with abbreviations. Students, this is a very important rule which I am going to tell. Please note it down. We use an with abbreviations beginning with the following letters: A, E, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, X. I repeat once again. We use an with abbreviations beginning with the following letters: A, E, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, X. For example, his father is an MP. He is an NRI. He got an X-ray done. So students, I hope this revision video have helped you a lot to understand articles. It's time to say goodbye. Please take care of yourselves. Have a great day ahead.